Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this gorgeous Shagun envelope or rupee envelope using different techniques. I have created the background using dyes. Can you see this, how beautiful this is looking? And also I will show you how to make this portion, how to make the beautiful vellum flowers by coloring and embossing it. And on back side I have added velcro so that you can easily open and lock the envelope. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. So to start with envelope, I am taking this card sheet which measures 19 by 23 centimeters. Just rotate this, and from left side I have creased on 6.5 and 15.5 centimeters. Can you see the creases? Here and here. And on other side I have creased on 1 centimeters on both the sides. Okay, so this is a simple pattern paper which I took. I have given link of this pattern paper in description box if you want to purchase that. Now I'm just cutting this 1 centimeter portion from both the sides like this. Keep the center part of 1 centimeter as it is. Similarly repeating on another side. Now fold all the creases and burnish it very well using bone folder. And our envelope is ready. Now I'm just chopping all the corners using corner chomper using 10 mm side and just curving all the 4 edges. And then it's time to stick our envelope. So just taking little glue and I'm sticking the bigger side with these flaps. So just add little glue and stick these flaps with each other. And envelope is ready. Now to make easy closure and opening, I am just adding velcro dot in the center, and just to find out the center I am using my ruler and marking exactly in the center, that is on 8.5, sticking my one side of velcro dot, adding another velcro on this and just pushing it so that it will get connected on another side automatically, and our envelope closure is also ready. Then I'm taking the silver mirror cardstock which measures 16.5 by 8.5 centimeters, and I'm going to stick this on the front side of the envelope. Like this. Then here I'm starting with some die cutting work. So I'm taking this mini doily which is from mini doily set #2 by Dress My Craft. And from this set I am using this doily, and also using pearl metallic blue color cardstock to cut the doily pattern. Just putting it on my Easy Cuts small die cutting machine and cutting the beautiful doily design. This is super tiny and super easy to operate the machine. Now just poke the excess paper using any pointed needle and take out the doily from the die. It's looking very gorgeous and so intricate. In a similar way I have prepared some more doilies already and some small pieces to add in the corners. Now I'm taking pearl metallic blue color cardstock piece for the base of our envelope, and this measures 16 by 8 centimeters, and I will start adhering these doilies one by one in one pattern. So to start with, we have to find out the center. So I'm just marking exactly in the center on both the sides. So we have our center part and creating one horizontal line in the center so that we can stick our doilies exactly in the center. Now first I'm arranging 4 doilies horizontally on the line. And then it's time to adhere these doilies. So just for quick adhering, I'm taking little glue on my palm and tapping the doily on the glue. With this trick you can easily add glue on all the small parts of these kind of intricate dies. If you are not comfortable with your hand, just take the glue on any plastic surface and then do the same process. And if you have any kind of allergy with glue, don't do this on hand, use any plastic bag. So I will just adhere all 4 doilies first in the center line. Just wipe out the glue if you are working with the liquid glue. It might possible that glue marks are there on your project, so quickly remove these marks using wet brush. Then between these doilies I am going to add some more doilies. Similarly complete this, and at the end I am just adding one doily in the corner. So all the sticking work is done. Burnish it very well, and now from back side I am just cutting the excess doilies using my scissors. And can you see how beautiful the background is looking? Very nice and very much embossed. Now taking back my envelope, and I'm going to stick my doily background on top of this. Like this, allow it to dry. Then here I have this beautiful frame which I cut on silver mirror cardstock, and for this I have used this beautiful decorative frame die by Dress My Craft, and I have used the oval and rectangle frames for my today's project. Both the frames are cut using silver mirror cardstock. So first I am adhering the oval one on the right side of the envelope. And then I'm taking the rectangular one and chopping the top and bottom portion from the frame, so that I am going to connect it exactly on the vertical line. Sticking these parts as well. And now, to give little dimension to our mirror circle, I'm adding one piece of cardboard on the back side. This is scalloped circle die, and on top of this I'm adding white color circle cutout to add our coin like this. Now to start with flowers, here I have already prepared some flower cutouts which are embossed, and to make these flowers I have used Ariana Bloom's flower die and matching stamp by Heartfelt Creations. To stamp the flowers I have used Versamark ink and embossed with white embossing powder by Dress My Craft. And cut with the matching dies, I have used medium and smaller size flower dies to make my today's project. And now to color these flowers I am using Salty Ocean Distress Oxide ink and the blending brush by Dress My Craft. From backside I am going to add the colors for all the flowers. If you don't have these dies and these stamps, you can simply cut any flower of your choice. You can hand cut these flowers and just use any white color gel pen and create the texture like this. So similarly color all the remaining flowers. Now taking two big and one small flowers and spraying little water on these petals to make it moist. Make them moist from both the sides. Now I am soaking the excess water using tissue paper, taking my embossing pad and putting all the flowers on the pad. Then from back side of the flower I am going to emboss it, and for this I am using small size ball tool, just rolling the ball tool on the petal to shape this. It will make your flower cuppy and very nice. Similarly doing with remaining flowers. Now rotate all the flowers and taking medium size ball tool and pinching in the center in the rotation direction. Now I am adhering all the petals together. Just off center the petals each time when you add the next layer. And for the center of the flower I am using white color flower pearls by Dress My Craft, and a cute flower is ready. In the same way I have prepared two more flowers. So our vellum flowers are done. Now here I have prepared some leaf cutouts, and for this I have used leafy accent dies by Heartfelt Creations. So again I have used stamps and matching dies to make this. These leaves are also white color embossed, and to color these leaves I am using Mode Lawn Distress Oxide ink, and I am coloring it from back side. So the coloring is done. Now taking back my envelope, and I will start adhering my leaves and flowers one by one. I am just dividing the leaves in some parts so that we can easily stick this on the surface. So first in the diagonal line I am going to add my leaves, and then on top of this I will add flowers. Allow it to dry completely. Then exactly in the center of the white circle I am going to adhere 1 rupee coin using B6000 glue. You can also use Fevicol to stick this like this. So the beautiful dye background vellum flower Shagun envelope is ready, and it's looking absolutely stunning. And inside the envelope you can put money of 100 rupee note or 500 rupee note or any note of your choice. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.